Hi viewers. So today we are going to make use of electronic kettle, and then we are making something with that. So tell me what comes to your mind listening the name electronic kettle. I think you can make coffee, tea, milk, hot water, right? So today we are going to prepare something different. So and the different item is, I'll not say. Let's see. So we are now seeing the ingredients. First I have removed the corn pieces and then I have kept in a bowl so that the boiling time will be less compared to that. And I have some salt and I also have butter with me, so which we will be using later. So I have the electronic kettle and then the cable connected to it. So we can also take out the kettle alone and then we can open it like this. And now I'm gonna add the corn pieces into it, and then I'm gonna pour some water, and I'm gonna add some salt. So it depends on how much you want to have. So I'm adding a little. Okay, I'm closing the lid and keeping back this. I'm switching on this. And here again we have a switch. Kind of, you just have to pull it up and you can see the red color light here blinking, and I think you can also hear the sound of boiling, right? Can you hear? So maybe we will slowly try to open and see what is happening inside. The sound is even more. Oh my god, can you see? The water vapor is also coming up. I'm not sure I can see directly, but you can see the boiling of water, right? So this is how it gets boiled. And let me close it. So you can hear the sound, right? And even the, can you see? Can you see here? The water vapor here. Can you see? Yeah. So this is how it will be auto switching and auto off. So it will be happening because of overheat. So you need to open it after some time. I mean to say you need to switch it on after some time. And the time depends on how much the corn is boiled. So you can also just open the lid and then check by taking one of the corns. So if you feel it is boiled, then you can just remove and then have it. So it is not yet boiled, so I'm switching it on again, and then I will make it boil for some more time. So repeat the same steps for 2 to 3 times. So I'm doing it for the fifth time, and you can hear the sound, right? See how the water vapor is going. See how the TV has become there. Can you observe that? Hmm. So now let's open and check. Ooh. Wow. Now you can see the corn also is boiled. Now I'm taking out, and you can also drink the water if you don't want to waste it. So I'm just pouring the water. There are some corn also getting filled into it. And now gonna take out the corn. Ah, it's too hot. Now I'm taking the butter. So because if it is hot, it melts and it will be spreaded over the corn. So the butter is now melted. So here is our yummy sweet corn with butter and the healthy drink. So you can also have the water, like if you don't want to waste, you can also have this is also healthy. So you can see, right? So this is how it is. And ready to have it. So then, thank you so much